anywhere in the world, on a day, big up on yourself, no love, no respect, right there. So, yeah. So today we come to talk about Empress Beauty. Empress is Beauty. People want to go over our TikTok page, follow her and like up her content, them right through. Yeah, good supporter she right there. So, and then on top of that, or right back of that, she have her business going over there, right there. So, and what we want to talk about today really actually want to talk about Empress's luxury kits where she have a go on. Hey, the kit have a lot about the kit have a whole heap of things that go on for you. I'm not ask you right there. So yeah, so I could go in that right there. So yeah, I want to tell you about it. First thing we go on in the kit, me I tell you about it, people. The first thing we go on in it, when I get one luxury diamond lead case right there. So yeah, but I ask Christ. Yeah, and then go down in it again. You get one JY lash of your choice, right there. So yeah, and then we go in it again. We take a stack. We get a 2-in-1 Empress Design lash glue, right there. So and you get one you get one eyeliner pen right back at that same place, right there. So yeah, and then we go back again in the box again, and we go down in it again. We take a stack. We are getting one customized Empress tweezer right there. So yeah, people, you have to use a good tweezer them right there. So yeah, good tweezer them work properly. Yeah, use the good one them when water touch your eyelash them and drop a ground. Yeah. Then we go back in the box again. We get one homemade organic eyelash, and you get a brows grow serum right there. So eyelash are going with itself. There's so much eyelash get. Hey, I'm not ask you. Yeah, I'm not ask you. Eyelash are going with itself right through. I'm not ask. And they come again. You have the spoil brush. You get one spoil brush in the kit to right there. So yeah, and they come back again, and we take a stack. You get one homemade pomegranate lip balm. I hope I get it right. Yeah, so me here, me I telling the people, me I telling the said about the kit well buzzy, the kit well buzzy, but I'm not ask you. Me never know say yeah, have a shampoo, shampoo brush and then look something different eyelash and all that. But never know say some eyelash go on with itself, eyelash buzz right out. But not ask you. Yeah, so people when you can run go over a TikTok page, go like up our things them. Yeah, sure some support. You don't want support for support. Don't just support the local movements, right? So just follow like up our things them and you don't know, right? So yeah, people, you can find our IG page is you can find her at Empress's Beauty Collection. For IG, you go over there, go follow her too. You know if like. Go over our page, go like, comments, and understand, yeah? Follow her, and follow no back right through. Yeah, oh God. What kind of nervous in the camera, not even over one, but me I go with myself same way, so yeah. And then we come again, guys. You can order on our website. Our website link is in our bio on our IG, and our website go like this: www.empressesbeautycollection.com, right there. So yeah, so go over there, like, comment, and no just do the right thing. No have to say particle, no don't know the top word, right there. So no just big up on yourself and no just do the right thing, right there. So and people remember you can follow up on Facebook also at Empress Collection, right there. So yeah, the people, yeah, and you can find her in Brampton, Canada. That is our location, people. So big up on yourself and go over there, go show her some support, right through, people. Yeah, right through. So big for yourself. No problem of respect with us, a try boy. I say, I'm not ask Christ, but yeah, girl try. Big up on yourself and thank you so much. Thank you all so much for all your love and support. Stay blessed, stay safe, right? This is a big up yourself right through out.
Bang when I mean you watch you roll it for me on. Yeah, me all the money with me I tell you the fun. Fuck around and get a tan. Book bossy no fuck us on me tan. Hey pretty girl come and me take you from your man. Baby me have a plan. Vacation. Fuck you on the sun. Give you a couple grand. Make you get a van. Put you in a brand. When me put you on the bed. Headboard bust up. It goes up. Bang bang.